What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Up early this morning, just went and got me some coffee. Up meditating, sticking to the strip, trying to think outside the box, come up with some new avenues. I'm in OKC now, so I'm learning the area. I did some riding around yesterday. It rained a little bit, but it wasn't bad. The weather was actually cool. I'm digging the Midwest City area. I think I like it because is right next to the city, but it's still kind of small townish. You know what I mean? So I like the feel of it. I actually seen a couple people networking, and the way I seen that they was networking, it kind of made me smile, man. I like to see people um, doing things independently and hustling what they got. They hard work. Hey man, that's what I made. You like it, you know what I mean? And um, I don't know. It just encouraged me to know that what I'm doing is going to work because that's how I've been doing it to get things going. So to see someone doing it on that level, just let me know I'm gonna tackle that field and another field as well. So I don't know. I mean, I really feel like things gonna be okay. I can't say nothing bad about the city. Um, I went and got some catfish last night. It was pretty good. Can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. The meal was awesome. Um, so I had found me a good spot as far as a good. It's a dine-in spot, but I didn't dine in. I just went and picked it up. But yeah, man, I really feel like it's gonna be okay. Anytime you're doing something new and you move into a new area and you relocating and you reinventing yourself, so to speak, there's gonna be struggles. There's gonna be opposition. There's gonna be trials. So get prepared for that. But if you have been preparing yourself properly, then those are just going to be little bumps in the road. You just going to keep going because you already been through the trials and the tribulations. And one thing that money is power. So if you have some capital and you've been saving some capital, you can be able to make better moves than someone who's just using credit only. You know what I mean? People tend to move a little quicker when you show them the money. You know what I mean? I have noticed that even since I've been out here, you know what I mean, talking to a few homeowners. Uh, when you show them what you got going on and you just, hey, this is what I got, this is what I'm willing to do, it's easier than just talking. You know what I mean? Because some people just say whatever, but me personally, I'm about actions. I like to say actions speak louder than words. You know what I mean? And I believe if we're gonna get somewhere, no matter what it is you're trying to do, you're gonna have to put some actions behind it. You're gonna have to grind. So I think we need to break that mentality of thinking that we're not gonna work hard and we're not going to work hard to use our earned income to make the passive income. We get caught up in just wanting to make the income, but then you get the income, you spend the income. So you have to have a rotating source of it. You know what I mean? Because as long as we're here, the reality is we got bills to pay. We got bills to pay. We have situations that pop up. We have emergencies, and you don't want to get caught in the rain without a raincoat, or you don't want to get caught in a situation with your pants down. As we used to say, you know what I mean, from the South. So um, I would just say, man, prepare yourself. Like I say, I'm gonna show you my transition and my goals and how I want to do things. And like I said, I'm gonna take my time. And for those who are going to be a part of it or help me, or you know what I mean, I appreciate it. Heads up, you know what I mean. And I feel like we're gonna do some good things here. Like I really feel we can do some good things here on many levels. We just got to stay focused, stay prayed up, stay on the grind, stay sharpening our skills, stay networking, knocking on doors. As the old saying say, those who knock, the door will be open, and those who seek shall find. Hold on.